Hello, welcome to Riversoft University. My name is Shelley Wolf, and today we will be reviewing the difference between mobile notes and the non-mobile manual process and how it affects your medical records screen. By clicking on the Medical Records button, we will review a patient that has been cared for entirely by a mobile user. You will notice that this patient has a Start of Care Skilled Nursing OASIS note completed and then locked by the supervisor. When the mobile user completed this note, they also generated a plan of care and an OASIS. Once the supervisor locked this note, it also added an admission date, a Start of Care date, and an active status for this patient. You will notice the care plan that was generated from this note and the OASIS that was generated from this note. Based on this Start of Care note being locked, the plan of care is now ready to be sent to the physician for signature, and the OASIS is ready to be transmitted to the state. This required no additional data entry from the office. Everything was done completely from the mobile user. Next, we will review the process of a patient that will receive manual entry. We first receive a message stating that the patient has not been admitted to the agency. The following screen will be disabled except for the Edit Status button. So we will have to go in and activate our client manually in order to open up the other fields necessary to add data entry for this patient. So by clicking Edit Status, we will hit New, add an active status, and an active status date, and save. This will then cause the patient to be placed into an active status. Next, you will edit your care plan. Our message tells us a new blank care plan has been created. You should enter the cert dates in box 3 and the physician in box 24 and save. Saving opens access to the medications and the diagnoses. At this point, your office staff will add your physician, pick your payer, verify your certification dates, add diagnoses, add medications, fill out all the locators, manually hand key in your service orders and your interventions, and manually hand key in your goals, your rehab potential, and discharge plans. Next, you will click on the button that says New CMS OASIS. From here, you will select the OASIS that is required for this patient, and you will work your way through the OASIS, filling out the required fields. You can see that the manual process is just that. Nothing is done for you automatically. You will activate your patient, you will manually enter the plan of care based on the paper documentation given to you. Then you will create your OASIS and manually enter the information provided to you from your OASIS that your clinician filled out in the field. As you can see, the manual process does require double documentation, whereas if you are a mobile user, everything happens automatically from your mobile user and their document. This is a review of the difference between mobile notes and the non-manual process and how it affects your medical records. Thank you. Bye-bye.